All right, so let's get into these AI dashboards. It's like, taking a raw spreadsheet and turning it into an executive ready dashboard in just minutes instead of weeks, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Exactly. The whole idea is basically to eliminate that 4 to 12 week slog we used to endure when building dashboards manually.
Yeah, it's so cool. Like you simply upload your data, describe your desired metrics and KPIs, and then boom, the AI generates a multi-chart interactive dashboard complete with real-time
That's spot
connections.
on. And there are three distinct approaches too, right? One using direct data upload, another with natural language queries, and a prompt to dashboard method.
Right, exactly. It's like if you're doing an ad hoc review, you go with the upload option, but if you're in the mood for asking questions in plain English, the natural language route is your go-to.
Yeah, very flexible. So with these tools, ChartGen AI, Power BI Copilot, and Tableau with Einstein AI, it really speeds things up. I mean, turning weeks into minutes, that's revolutionary.
For sure. But there's an interesting point here. While ChartGen AI can generate a full dashboard in one prompt, others like Tableau require you to build each chart one by one.
That's the trade-off. I get that. But don't you think there's a risk of sacrificing depth for speed? The one prompt approach sounds almost too good to be true sometimes.
True, but the magic is in the full data traceability. Every chart that gets generated is directly tied back to your original file, so any executive who asks, "Where did this number come from?" can get a clear, verifiable answer.
Right, that accountability is key. And then there's the step-by-step walkthrough, like turning a product metrics spreadsheet into a 6-chart dashboard complete with KPI cards, trend lines, and even risk indicators for any issues.
Exactly, it's almost like the AI is your personal dashboard designer, laying out everything from top KPI cards to in-depth breakdowns. It even uses an infinite data canvas where you can zoom in and examine the details
That's
at your
really
leisure.
dynamic. They also tested out a bunch of tools with the exact same prompt. I heard only ChartGen AI and Plotly Studio managed to generate a complete dashboard with one go.
Yep, while others like Power BI and Tableau force you into a step-by-step process, which can seriously slow you down. And then there's that Tableau tax. Deep customization comes at a pretty steep price
Right,
and
that's a
learning
valid
curve.
critique. Plus, the market itself is booming. The analytics space is almost doubling soon, and these AI dashboards are, democratizing data access for teams without dedicated BI experts.
Exactly. With the projections being multi-billion dollar numbers and the demand for dashboards growing twice as fast as the number of people who can build them manually, this is a real transformative shift.
Totally, it's mind blowing. But there's, a slight worry about relying too much on AI. What if the AI makes a mistake in interpreting data relationships?
Sure, that's a valid concern. However, the built-in traceability ensures you can always verify the outputs. If something seems off, you simply drill down into the underlying data. It's accountable AI, not some black box magic.
That really addresses the worry. And I really like the follow up feature where you ask more questions and it adds new charts right in real time, turning a static report into a live analytical workspace.
Absolutely, it's like having a dashboard that evolves during the meeting, answering questions on the fly. That kind of agility really changes how decisions can be made in real time.
Yep, very dynamic. So, summing it up, these AI generated dashboards are not only saving time, but they're redefining how data insights are presented and validated. It's an exciting leap forward for data professionals everywhere.
Exactly. It's all about empowering analysts to focus on insights rather than getting bogged down in design and formatting, transforming data into actionable intelligence in just minutes.